Welcome to my kitchen garden. My name is Ade Sellars, the Good Life Gardener, and with horticulture.co.uk, today we're talking cabbages. Did you know? Cabbages are part of the brassica family, and they can be both eaten and grown throughout the year. A biennial plant is grown as an annual, coming in different shape, size and colour. They can be steamed, stir-fried, pickled, boiled, stuffed and even eaten raw. Whether you enjoy the light leaf of a Durham early or the winter density of a Savoy, there's a cabbage to suit every taste and every grower. Like every vegetable, growing cabbages start with the seed. For summer cabbages, sowing occurs under cover between late February to early March. Winter cabbages are sown in April to May, either under glass and planted out into their final growing positions come June, July. If you enjoy a spring cabbage, sow them outdoors during July and August, letting them grow on where they can stand over winter. Cabbages can be sown using a seed tray, pots or soil blocks. Simply fill your pot with a seed compost, tamp the soil down to create a firm surface, then create a 2 centimetre hole in the centre. I tend to place 2, maybe 3 seeds into the hole, just to improve germination rate. Then I cover over with compost, water gently and place in the greenhouse or on a warm windowsill. Germination should occur within 7 to 12 days. Direct sowing into the final growing area or into a separate seed bed can be done from late March to April. Prepare the open growing area by adding plenty of organic matter and work it into the soil. Firm the soil down with the back of a rake, then create a fine tilth and water the area before sowing. For seed beds, create drills 1 centimetre deep and with rows at 45 to 60 centimetres apart. Sow thinly, then cover over the sown area with fine soil. Germination should occur between 7 to 10 days. Once your cabbages have developed 5 or 6 true leaves, they're ready to be planted out. Cabbages prefer a sunny, sheltered position. The growing area should be prepared with plenty of organic matter. Plants should be spaced 30 to 45 centimetres apart, in rows 45 to 60 centimetres apart. As these plants get quite tall, plant them up to the first set of leaves and firm in. This will help establish a good root system and prevent wind rock. Water in well. As much as you might enjoy eating cabbage, so do many other creatures that come to your gardening area. Cabbage white butterfly, birds, slugs, snails, even the cabbage root fly will do what they can to get at your brassicas. So, a little protection can go a long way. Try covering the growing area with garden netting or fine horticulture mesh. Also, consider placing brassica collars around the plant stem when planting. This will help prevent cabbage root fly from laying eggs at the base of the plant. Remove any yellowing or discoloured leaves, as this could potentially harbour pests and diseases. By practising crop rotation, you can help keep pest numbers down and prevent the continual problem of diseases, such as clubroot. Also, as brassicas follow on from legumes, they get to enjoy the nitrogen peas and beans have created through their roots. Water regularly and keep the area weed free. When plants are ready to harvest, cut them away from the main stem. So if you are thinking of growing a few cabbages this season, they're a welcome addition to any growing area. For more advice and tips, go to horticulture.co.uk. But for now, thank you for watching. Happy growing!